the 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 Twitch desktop application has settings specifically for Minecraft, like its general account name, blah blah blah, and then Minecraft. Okay, we all do. Give me that stream key. Yeah. What are you using Get for? No. I'll watch the stream right now. Hold on. Yeah. I am watching the stream. Okay, so you're using. Why are you using Get there? You don't have to use. You really just use name because you're still within the. You're still within the class, so you just use name as a variable, but you have to do it within a function. What are you trying to do? The class that holds the following personal data. Name, address. Okay, so what you could do. Okay, so just get out of the class now. Outside of the class, make a new function within main. By the way, I don't. Can classes be in the main declaration? I'm not sure. Let me see real quick. You need to find a class in main. Give me a split second, my computer's taking fucking forever to load. Okay, declaring classes. Yeah, I don't think you define class inside of main. Yeah, because main's its own class. So first of all, you would where you put public class, whatever you put that, I think that's pinfo. Which first of all, classes, it's just convention that you start classes with a capital. No, you put it outside of the class of everything. Because you put it inside the class still, so you put it outside of everything. So it's yeah. No. Outside of, at the bottom of everything. Go all the way down. Outside everything. There you go. You have an extra semicolon in there, by the way, in the main function. Okay, so real quick. So remember how I was talking about constructors? So you see how there's public class main and then there's public static void main? The public static void main, that's a function, right? Well, that'd be a constructor function because it's under the same name as the class. So what you're gonna do, right? So you've created a new class called pinfo. It holds a string called name. Okay, first of all, you have to make a constructor for it. So delete that stuff real quick. Delete those variable declarations. Your white space is painful to me. Your white space hurts me. Ah, shit. Okay, so what you're gonna do is inside your pinfo class, you're gonna create a new function and make it just make it a void function. I'm not gonna return anything. Or actually, so there's public static void. You really don't even have to do the static, just do public void. Just okay, so basically public means it can be accessed from any function within any other, right? Static means I'm not entirely 100% sure what static means, but I know void basically void is what it would be returning because at the end of every function you have to return something, right? So void just means it's not returning anything. So there's no return declaration. If you set that to integer, if you set that to int, it returns an integer. So you have to have a return declaration and then a variable that returns an integer or an integer to return. So you're going to create a new function, and it's going to be the same name as the class. And for the arguments, so within the parentheses, put string name, comma, string address, comma, integer age, or int age, comma, and yeah. No. String space name. Yeah, because okay, so your string is defining the type, and then defining the name of the same thing as defining the. Basically, what you're doing right now is you're defining the variables that you're going to use in the function. Okay, so you need name. What is it? Address. So it'd be another string. Age. Probably want to make that a string as well. Or you don't even have to type string for all of them. Just put name, age, address. Yeah. Just put it in one big line. Because if they're all the same type, then you can just do it one big line. Yeah. My phone. One sec. Sorry, my phone called. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Love you. Mhm. Okay, I'll be out. Love you. Bye. I gotta go help my girlfriend get groceries out of the real. Let me help you. So basically, what you're gonna do now is inside the function. So do the curly brackets. So within that function, you're basically going to set the variables to a variable now. You're going to set the input to a variable now. So you're going to create a variable. You're going to create a new variable with the same name. So name, address, age, phone number, and you're going to put. You're going to say like, for example, string name equals name, and that's what you're going to put. Or you're going to put string this dot name equals name. You're creating a new variable. No, you're putting this inside the function now. So you have to put the curly brackets. Wait till your screen updates so I can see you do that. No, not there. The curly bracket. When you make a function, so it's gonna look like this. I'll put it in the Discord chat. Okay, let me see. How did you set that up? Public void p info string name address etc. It's gonna look like that. Void, not voik. Yeah, you created a function. All right, and then now you're gonna create variables basically like this, like that. And I'll explain the this dot thing when I get back. I have to go real quick though.